first language, that you really want to become better.
Whoa! Look at what Santa left for you guys. Alyssa, tell Daddy Merry Christmas. Tell Daddy. Say Merry Christmas, Daddy.
Hey, thank you.
What about Lily? Say Merry Christmas, Lily. Oh no. You guys want to open some presents? Yeah. Okay. Why don't you sit down? Look at that, Lily. Look at what Santa brought for Lily. Do you want to open some? Okay. Look at this one. Ooh.
Here, grab that.
Here. That's it. Look at. Can you say it says to Alyssa from Daddy?
Sit down.
Go ahead. Sit down. Sit down right here on the floor. Right there. There you go. That's from Daddy. Yeah. Open it, babe.
Some of the scariest, meanest Disney characters are creeping up.
Nope, that's okay. Open it, Mama.
Open it. Open it.
Open your present. Do you need help? Oh, there you go. Open it up. What is it? Open it. Oh, boy. Open it. Open it more. Take the paper off. You need more help? Here you go. Open it more. Oh boy, Lisa. Here you go. Look at that.
Alyssa, look, grab it.
Here, go show Daddy. Show him. Say, Daddy, look. Thank you, Daddy.
Yeah.
Oh,